Welcome to Donnie's Auto World. Today, we're diving into the future of eco-friendly commuting with the all-new 2025 Wawaz Electric Trike, a smart, stylish, and sustainable three-wheeler designed for the modern city rider. If you're someone looking for a convenient, cost-effective, and green solution to beat traffic and fuel prices, this trike might just be your next favorite ride. The 2025 Wawaz Electric Trike comes with a futuristic design that's both compact and eye-catching. It features a sleek aerodynamic body, LED headlamps and taillights, and a strong yet lightweight frame built to withstand daily urban usage. The trike offers exceptional stability thanks to its three-wheel design, making it safer than a traditional two-wheeler, especially for new riders or senior citizens. Under the seat, the Wawaz packs a powerful electric motor that delivers smooth acceleration and impressive torque. The motor is powered by a lithium-ion battery pack that offers a claimed range of up to 120 kilometers on a single charge, depending on riding conditions and load. Charging is easy and convenient. Plug it into a standard home socket, and you'll get a full charge in about 4 to 5 hours. There's also fast charging support that gets you up to 80% in just under 2 hours. On the dashboard, you'll find a fully digital display showing speed, battery status, range, and even trip details. There's Bluetooth connectivity and a mobile app that helps track your vehicle, monitor its health, and even plan routes more efficiently. Wawaz has also included smart anti-theft features and GPS tracking, giving riders peace of mind. Comfort hasn't been compromised either. The seat is well padded and spacious enough for both the rider and a pillion. Suspension is handled by telescopic forks at the front and dual shocks at the rear, which do a decent job of absorbing bumps and potholes. With its compact size, the Wawaz Electric Trike is incredibly easy to maneuver in tight spaces, making it ideal for city traffic. In terms of pricing, the 2025 Wawaz is competitively positioned, making it accessible for a wide range of customers, from students to delivery riders and eco-conscious commuters. And with very low maintenance and running costs, it's a smart investment for the long term. So, that wraps up our first look at the 2025 Wawaz Electric Trike. Let us know in the comments what you think about this new electric ride and whether you'd consider switching to a trike for your daily commute. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more updates and reviews right here on Donnie's Auto World.